Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we're going to talk about this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that is by a brand called AmuseWit. And pretty much what you guys can use this for is to grind your peppers or your salt or whatever the case may be that you guys just want to grind in general. But first thing first, let me actually unbox it and show you guys what comes out the package first before we test out and all that good stuff. So right at the back, when we open the package, you guys can see there's like 2 of them. And then what else comes out of the package is some instruction guide and manual and warranty card on how to set up the product and all that good stuff. And then on one of the grinders, they actually provide you this little brush so you guys can clean the pepper that's on the grinder itself when you guys are done using it, or you guys just want to clean the product in general. And then here is the product, if you guys can see right here. It is by a brand called AmuseWit. Very nice stainless steel material. They actually come with 3 different colors for this product. They have it in black, copper, and stainless steel. And then you guys look on the top part, that is where the grinder or where the magic happens. And if you guys can see surrounding the actual grinder right here is the LED lights. And if you guys look at the back part right here, we have the arrows to show you guys how to open it so you guys can put in the battery. So yes, this product does not provide you guys the battery. So you guys want to make sure you guys get the correct battery, and let me show you guys which battery it is. So when we open it up, this is what the interior looks like right there and right there. So I turn on this side, it tells you guys you need 3 AAA batteries on this side, and we turn on the other side, you need another 3. So each one of these grinders require you to have 6 of these AAA batteries. So that's actually one thing that I don't like about this already, because you have to buy 6 of these AAA batteries. And then if you guys close that part up, you guys can open the bottom part to actually put in your peppers or salt, whatever you guys want to put inside, and you guys just twist it back on. And then all you do is just flip it upside down and it turns on. So now that I show you guys the product and everything, let's actually go test it out first and then come back and talk about the product. So here we have this device we're gonna use to mix some pepper. I'm gonna just put it on this plate to show you guys how it looks like. So first thing you want to do is put the battery inside on both ends. So 3 right here and 3 on the other side. Close it tight so the arrows, that's where you guys know where it is. And then we're gonna put in the pepper. So we have some peppercorn right here that we put inside. We're gonna just put a few to test it out. So all I do is flip the device upside down and then watch the magic happen. And then when you have it done, just turn it back upside down and that's it. And you guys noticed earlier there was a little light on the device, so that way you guys can see in the dark in case you guys need the light. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the test of the product. You guys can see it actually works quite well. It's very easy to use. It's just the battery option is more of like an inconvenience or really crazy, because you guys need 6 of those AAA batteries to use it. The thing about this one is that all you have to do is just flip it upside down and it turns on, and then flip it back to the other side and then turns off. So in a way, I do see this as like a safety concern or safety hazard, because there's no on or off button. It's just when you flip this upside down or to the side or something, then it actually turns on, which is kind of like a safety hazard for a lot of people, especially parents who have kids and whatnot. So just make sure if you guys get one of these to put these in a safe place, so that way your kids or whoever doesn't touch this and hurt themselves. So that's one thing to remember when you guys are getting this product. And then one thing I forgot to mention in the test is the fact that when you guys turn this little knob on the top, you guys turn it to a certain way, to left or right, that's how you guys control how thick you want the peppers to be. So if you guys want it to be bigger or smaller, that's how you guys control it. So the tighter it is, the smaller it is, the looser it is, the bigger the pepper will turn out to be when you guys are grinding it. So now that we talked about the product and show you guys the test of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. Honestly, for me, I have to say that this is actually worth it if you guys plan on using a lot, or if you guys cook a lot. If you guys don't cook a lot, then obviously it's not really worth it, because why buy something that you guys won't be using often, right? Especially since this costs around like $29 for 2 of them, so that's around like $15 almost for both of them, if you guys think about the math. For $15 for each one of these is actually really nice. Just the fact that the battery is the main issue that I had. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad Fan Shout Day, we have